हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम दोबारा आपके सामने इंग्लिश स्पीच रिपब्लिक डे के लिए लेकर हाजिर हो गए हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल माय रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, गार्जियंस एंड डियर फ्रेंड्स। एज वी ऑल नो that we all have gathered here on the very special association of our nation, which is called Republic Day. I want to deliver a speech on Republic Day in front of all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my class teacher, because of whom I got a golden opportunity to say something about my beloved country on this great association of Republic Day on this platform of my school. This great association of Republic Day on this platform of my school. Today is the best day when we would pledge to preserve the real meaning, status, prestige of our country, and most importantly, the culture of humanity. The great heroes of our country have fulfilled their responsibility by giving us freedom and making a constitution. In a democracy, there is a system of the people are people. Therefore, it becomes our fundamental duty to protect and respect the system and constitution of our country. Addressing you today on this auspicious association, I end my speech by paying my respects and tributes to those great revolutionaries. Many thanks to all of you.